said to them, why are you here, what's your purpose, who you do, what's this all about, what's the practice. It's been a huge change from the regional and then taking them into the Matatini realm. This time a lot more pressure. The style of what how we've come into it's changed as well. So after regionals we had a bit of a break there, and so the wind up has taken a lot longer this round than it was for the regional round. We had 10 weeks to get ready for the regionals. We've had 4 or 5 months for this journey, but definitely some huge differences throughout this journey. Relationships, the strength of relationships. Haka, that's the small part, but what we've got out of it is a whānau, and so that's probably the most important thing here, is watching all these relationships being created, seeing the passion back in the Haka community here in Sydney. I look forward to what comes after Matatini. It was never about it being a rōpū, it was about learning taonga that we can take out to our community and takoha ki a rātou. So if I see that, then our job's done. A personal thank you to the entire community of Sydney, entire Māori community of Sydney, for allowing me to serve. Titles, being Australian national champions or anything like that, nothing's more rewarding than just to show up here and to be able to share, to serve my people, to give them things that were given to me. The taonga was given to me to carry, and hopefully I've done my best. Highlight is simply just being given the privilege